Welcome back to Quarantine Cooking with Orion. I'm your host Orion, and today we are going to be making something 100% not original, but in the homemade kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Orion style spicy chicken sandwich. Now, if you follow these instructions, you will be the most powerful, super chillest human being on the planet. This is my style of a homemade spicy chicken sandwich. Now, if you have not already subscribed, click that red button and hit the like button, all that stuff, and become part of the Super Chills family on YouTube. It will mean so much to me if you could take the time to share these videos, watch them, and of course, keep it super chill. Okay, the first step to make an Orion style spicy chicken sandwich is you have to have 6 individual sliced chicken breasts, and you put it in the bag, gently drop it in a plastic bag, Ziploc bag, and just do that. You just gently drop the chicken breast into the plastic bag. You have to have 1 cup of dill pickle juice. You dump that in the bag. And then the last step is you have to have a hot sauce of your choice. In this case, we have Texas Pete. You can have any hot sauce, it doesn't matter. Just put your spices of choice in this Ziploc bag. Hot sauce or some sort of spice. You can even use Sweet Baby Ray's if you wanted to. 1 teaspoon of hot sauce, so just gently pour in here. You don't want to get too much, and you just do that. You only need 1. The next step, I have no idea what it is. Oh yeah, and don't forget to zip up the bag. Now, she says to put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. So after you're done doing this, put it in the refrigerator for 1 hour, and then we'll come back and we'll tell you what next to do. Okay, while the chicken is marinating in the refrigerator, basically what you have to do is mix. This is for the flavor, basically. You need ground pepper, celery salt, smoked paprika, garlic powder, and then confectionery sugar and flour. So now, my grandma has already put it in this little container here. We have this right here, the flour and the confectionery sugar. So just simply get something like this in a paper bag. We're doing the paper bag thing again.
Ziploc.
Paper bag, Ziploc, same thing, right? Get something, okay? Now, just dump it in this. Just simply do that. And you don't want too much flour or confectionery sugar, so don't overdo it. Just do that. Just dump it in there. So yeah, level it out before you just dump it in. And there you go. Now what we have to do is probably shake it up or something like that. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna do that, so we're gonna pause here, and yeah, we'll be back. Okay, so this is for the breading of the chicken sandwich. What you have to do first is crack the egg very gently. Be careful. Just like that. No shell, by the way. No shell. And you just throw it to the side. It'll be okay. On the floor, it's fine. What you have to do is just stir it up very gently. And then, when you get it to a good state, you pour the milk in. Just all the milk. And then continue to stir. Make sure you do not get any shell in the mixture. Alright? And when it looks absolutely clear, like pudding, yellow pudding. Now what you have to do is put, so one at a time when you you're doing this, just put one chicken breast at a time, just like this. Turn it over, okay, with my hands. Something. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing, okay guys? We're gonna pause here. Okay, so one thing before we start putting the chicken on the frying pan is in between shaking the chicken that we did, lathering it in the spices and all that stuff. Be sure to wash your hands in between so you don't, get a virus. So please do that and stay safe. It's very dangerous. That being said, let's continue. Be sure to not burn yourself, so gently place the chicken on the pan. There is oil on the pan, that hurt. These things are huge, as you can see. Just drop it on the pan. We're using the same pan we've made the hamburgers, what else did we make on this? Chicken? No, we didn't make chicken before. Or did we? I forget. This one did not take that much stress, actually. For the first time in forever. The only thing I had stress doing is lathering the chicken and the spice. But other than that, it was pretty straightforward. But if you do this in the most straightforward, you actually know what you're doing and you follow through what I did in your own pace, you will have the most enhanced, super chill sandwich you'll ever eat in your life. Of the spicy or just a regular chicken sandwich, it's the same thing, right? We're not going to name any places because this is my own thing. This isn't copying anyone. This is just going with my grandma's recipe of a chicken sandwich. It's like home tradition or something like that. You can say that. This is my dinner, by the way. Just ignore the macaroni and cheese and beans if you can see that on the plate. But I also have strawberry kiwi drink to go with it. So I'm gonna just eat it, try it, and see if this is worth your time. You can use pickles to give it a little bit more flavor, that spicy, chicken flavor. But we used everything I said in the beginning. I don't remember anyway. So yeah, going in, Orion style chicken sandwich, spicy or not spicy, we don't know yet. Going in. Okay. I tell you this. We nailed it. OMG, dude. Amazing. Crazy. We got the accurate thing I wanted in a chicken sandwich. Of course it has that homemade feel. Of course. Like everything I've made on the channel. But I think this and the Super Chill are the most accurate things that I made on the channel that I took inspiration for, to make on the channel from, we're not going to name anything, but, the restaurants, the fast food chains, the soda brands. We got it right. And if I had the time and the patience to do this at home, I 100% would. Because a chicken sandwich is probably the only thing I can eat at those fast food chains. You all know them. I'm not saying them, but you all know what the fast food chains are. Because they all copy each other. What is the point, man, of buying them if they all taste the same in some kind of way? That goes for soda and everything else. But yeah, we did a great job. I hope you enjoyed this review. Like I said in the past 2 or so videos, we have a Patreon now. If you want to help fund the channel, I know a few of you out there have been subscribed for a while and you wanted to, help fund the channels in some kind of way. I don't know if you're still watching, but Patreon is there now. You can pay for $3 or, $5, $7, $15, whatever amount you want. And you can get bonus rewards for the channel. And it helps fund me. But I'm enough plugging my Patreon. Everything else is down below. My Twitter, Discord, all that stuff. Instagram too. That's all I have to say. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you next time. Oh crap! I did not give it a rating. She just my head's all over the place. Like I said, most accurate thing. That and the Super Chill I did a while ago. Go watch that, by the way. I'm giving it a 10 because it's straightforward, it's to the point, it's accurate, it's the most accurate thing I've ever done on the channel other than the Super Chill, so 10 for me. That being said, that is my grading scale, 10 out of 10 for the chicken sandwich I made. Like I said earlier, just go and follow my stuff if you want to, and I'll see you in the next episode of Quarantine Cooking with Orion. This is me, Orion, signing off, and I hope you have a super chill one. Stay super chill, by the way.